Make sure you stand till the end, we'll share a secret with you today. So stay with us. First guys, what we're going to do, we're going to start the car now with the belt, accessories, everything on, okay? So let us show you guys what that noise whine sounds like. We're going to start the car and we're going to go ahead and open the hood, okay? Let me just go ahead, okay? And okay, first open it. Perfect, let's go ahead, start the Mercedes now. Okay, and you can hear that whining. It's kind of like a dental machine. Okay, let's give it gas. And you want to know where it's coming from, let's go ahead guys, we'll start. It looks like it's coming from up here. You may be confused that it's timing chain component or variable timing gear, but it's not. So let's continue now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super quick video guys. To any of you having an engine noise, we'll explain how we can distinguish between different engine noises and how to find the engine noise. Because in many cases guys, it could be something really simple, and by removing that part you'll be able to find out, okay, is that the thing causing the engine noise or not? All that will be covered in this video today. Now, before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly take things apart, we constantly buy new cars to fix them and show you how to fix them guys. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts to use at a good price and quick shipping for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. We can save a fortune there guys. So let's explain what can easily cause that now and how to distinguish, how to find where the engine noise is coming from. So we have that Mercedes, okay, that has a whine guys, okay, it has a whine that increases with RPMs. So what we will recommend to do when you have that problem, but only do it for a short period of time, we will explain why. We will recommend to remove the serpentine belt. By removing the serpentine belt you can isolate different guys, okay, different noises such as power steering noise, because it can create a noise whine as well. AC compressor pulley noise, you have idler pulley here, tensioner pulley, idler pulley on top, alternator right there on the bottom, water pump here, and another we have right here on top. Okay, let me just remove that cover here quick. Okay, oh, 1 second, you have another idler pulley guys. So all these things can create noise, and you can think that you have a mechanical problem with your engine, but it could be something related to these things guys. In order to test that, we recommend to remove the belt. Do not start the car for more than, I'll recommend 10-15 seconds, because the water pump on many cars is actually driven by the belt. So we're going to go ahead, okay, start it, and we can hear if we still have that whine. If we do, it's in the engine, and most likely will be timing chain related or variable timing gear. Always have the garage door open when you start your vehicle, never start it inside, okay, without opening the door. So let's go ahead, start it now. Okay, and we're going to rev it up a little bit. So you definitely guys, you definitely can hear, we still have the whine, we still have the noise. We have problem guys, okay, with variable timing gear on this Mercedes, or timing chain guys, loose timing chain could be the culprit of that one as well. So yeah, that's how you guys find out. If you want to know more about fixing cars, we have thousands of videos that can save you guys thousands of dollars in future repairs. We have more than 10,000 videos. Check out our channels guys. You can find fuses and codes here. Auto Repair guys is quite popular, and World Mechanics is the second one. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.